Assalamu alaikum, hello, and welcome to Ashiana Cooking. Before I start, if you have not already subscribed, then make sure you do. Now back to the video.
In this video I will be sharing a recipe for how to make Keema Piyaz. Keema Piyaz is mincemeat with onions. You will need half kg of mincemeat and 5 onions in total. Slice 3 onions thinly and 2 onions slightly thicker, they will be used later. Add around quarter cup oil to the pot and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as zira. Add the 3 thinly sliced white onions, and fry them until golden brown. Next add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Mix this and fry it until the garlic aroma leaves. Obviously stir constantly so it doesn't burn. Then add half kg mincemeat and break it down and stir. Cook until the water is released from the mincemeat. Here you can see the water which is released. Continue to cook until the water dries off. The water is now drying and the mince is changing color to brown as it's cooking. As the water is drying off, it's time to add the spices. For the spices you will need 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon ajwain, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Now stir to mix all the spices with the mince. Cook this for a few minutes. The spices really do make it much better. Damn, it already looks good. Next chop 2 medium-sized tomatoes and add them. Also, add 1-inch piece of crushed ginger. Mix them together and cook for a few more minutes. You will need to further cook this, so add half glass of water and stir regularly. Place a lid and let it simmer and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. The mince should cook in the steam produced from the water. After 5 to 10 minutes, remove the lid and mash up the mince and the tomatoes a little. Then add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix that together. Add 2 to 3 green chilies. I cut them in big pieces. Continue to stir and reduce down the water. Add 1 teaspoon of whole coriander, mix it together. Look how good it looks. This is a very easy recipe, so try it out and let me know how it turned out. For half kg of mincemeat I am now adding 2 onions that are sliced slightly thicker. Stir and break apart the onion to separate them. Cook until the onions soften a little. Place an airtight lid and cook on low heat for around 5 minutes. This is to simmer down and caramelize the onions. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and stir. Cook for a few more minutes to dry up any liquid remaining. The onions are nicely caramelized. The oil is released from the mincemeat and separating. Wow, it looks so good. Now sprinkle half teaspoon of garam masala. Add thinly sliced green chilies and also thinly sliced ginger. Mix it all up to combine. Finally, to garnish, add fresh coriander and thinly sliced ginger. Then serve. Seeing these pictures are making me hungry. You must agree that it looks amazing and appetizing. Well, I will be uploading more recipe videos for you, so please subscribe to my channel and support me. You can share this video with others and also don't forget to like and comment.